CFA is American, CFP global, but Europe said, excuse me, we also have taste and regulations. That's how the European Financial Planner EFP was born. If you have ever dreamt of advising the millionaires in the Milan or managing the money in Monaco, this might just be your golden ticket. The European Financial Planner certification is a high level wealth management qualification offered by the Euro Financial Planning Association EFPA. It's like the European Union's official stamp that says, yes, this person actually knows how to manage your money without panicking when the market drops. The EFP builds on the European Financial Advisor EFA. Think of it as an advisor 2.0. It focuses on the advanced topics like the cross-border taxation, international portfolio design, estate planning, the retirement optimization, and of course, managing the clients who wants to invest the responsibly but still buy the yachts. Now, the EFP exam is not a joke. Candidates must already be certified as EFAs and have at least 3 years of professional experience and complete the specialized EFPA recognized training modules. The examinations are often scenario based, meaning you don't just tick the boxes, you solve the realistic client problems from the Italian pension laws to the German mutual fund taxation. Sounds intense. It is. But the beauty of EAP is it's portable. Whether you are working on France, Spain, or Belgium, the credential travels with you. Perfect for the finance professionals who love both money and vacation across the borders. With EFP, you can work in private wealth management, family offices, insurance advisory, or even as a cross border tax planner. European firms adore it because it proves your ethical grounding and technical know how. And here is the kicker: EFPs earn up to 30% higher than the regular advisors in EU countries. So, it's not bad for something that comes with a Euroflyer. So, at Dr. Shorofs's classes, we have added a fun twist to EFP preparation, mock interviews with the European case studies. We teach you how to explain the asset allocation with a French asset, and but yes, we blend the technical mastery with the cultural awareness. After all, your client in Paris might care more about sustainability than the spreadsheets.